Hello everyone, this is Lorenzo Edwards. On the Cadillac page, you will see Bishop Designate Edwards, Lorenzo Edwards. But today, I am changing my cabin air filter. And so I'm going to go through that to let you know where they're set and the best products to use for it. I had got an SPT cabin filter. I really didn't like the fit when I tried to put it in. It wasn't a good fit. It was kind of flimsy. And I went and got the AC Delco one from the dealership. This one was $21 for the cabin air filter. It was $21. This one, believe it or not, it was $73. So, I mean, if you can find something that's a little bit cheaper, you can. I worked for Cadillac over 20 years, so to me, nothing fits better than the factory parts. And so I went and got that. So by me working there, it was $73. By me working there, it went down to $54. And so I went on and got it because it's just a better feel. One thing that the cabin air filter does, it takes the air from the outside, dirty air, and captures all the dirt before it gets into your cabin or your car. And so it's going to keep the car fresh, smelling good, not smelling like, outside or dirt or anything like that. So it's good to change it. This car has about 34,000 miles. It's an 08 DTS. I only have 34,000 miles on it. I bought it maybe about 5 months ago. I don't drive it that much, so I rarely just did the first oil change. People ask me what kind of oil I use. I always, by me working for the dealership, guys, I always go by what the manufacturer recommends. And for this one, it's Mobil 1. Mobil 1 synthetic, full synthetic SE5W30. So I stick with what the manufacturer says. I don't vary from it. I always stick with the manufacturer says and what's on the oil cap. Even in the different climates, I'm in California, so it's always warm. So even in different climates, I always stick with what the manufacturer uses. So I know when it gets high mileage sometimes, or if I have some leaks in my older Cadillac, if I had some leaks, I went to a heavier oil if I had leaks. But other than that, I try to stick with the 5W30, and I try to stay away from leaks. Okay, here we go, guys. The cabin air filter, I'm doing this video because somebody asked me. The cabin air filter is not in the glove compartment. It's actually in a good place where you can get to it. So these two clips right here, you open up and boom, there's your cabin air filter. You see how dirty that is? That's pretty bad. So a lot of smog, a lot of dirt in California. You basically just pull it out. Pull that one out, and there you go. It has a little ridge on there that bends to allow you to get it in there easy. See all the dirt that's in there, the dirt, the leaves, so it's good to change it around 30,000 miles. Guys, please change your cabin filter. So we're going to install this one real quick. See if I can put this camera somewhere. Okay, we're back. So here's the new one. The old one, 34,000 miles, brand new one. Okay, guys, we're back. So you see these hinges in here. You're gonna slide it right through. It's good to clean this out. So let me get something to clean this out on the inside too as well. Let me grab a rag real quick. So I want to get the excess dust and dirt out of there. When you're changing any part, it's always good to clean it. I was always taught that. Always good to clean it. All right, just a little bit, not too bad. And so when you take it out, I forgot, when you take it out, it has a clip. This one has a clip. Many of them don't. So you actually have to push this clip back. I'm glad I got it out so I can show you. Push this clip back to release that cabin air filter. And so to put it in, you want to make sure that you're all the way back to that clip. So now we're installing our new cabin air filter. Those two wrenches, you're just going to slide it on in, real easy. And see, this is the difference from the aftermarket to the factory. This one fits real nice and neat, and it goes right in. So there you go, guys. That's my new cabin air filter, nice and clean. I'm gonna need 2 hands to push this on back past the clip. But other than that, she's ready to go. All right, so thanks for watching. And then of course, while you're in it, you're gonna clean this up and clip that back on there. So that's our cabin air filter replacement. This is the location. Push this all the way back till it gets to the clip. Just gonna need my other hand to kind of get it in place there. So, okay, well, good. We all set. Cabin air filter replacement and location.